Oh, okay. Well, you guys are all busy. Busy. Are you gonna...
Hey Pyros, we're here at BC Big Booms Fireworks. This is also in Tracy by the Big Trex gas station off of the highway. This lady in here is super cool. I got to see things around. This is pretty cool. She's got like an arcade game in there for kids. She's got like a Planko board in there for you to win some prizes in there. She's super awesome. She's super talkative. She's excited about what she does. So they got some good prices in there and some good stuff. So we'll see you guys in there. Appreciate it. Alright guys, so we're here in the store. I'll show you around a little bit. They got gender reveal golf balls. That's pretty cool. Gender reveal baseballs as well. Guys are having any babies soon. Make that happen. You got confetti and some lightsabers. You got your handheld stuff. Wow, like tomahawk chop, super gun, smash hit, super sucker. Got some smoke down there, some chasers. You got B3 bomber with crackle. Those are cool. Green wasps, like your artificial satellites. Little trucks, half-ton. Tortoise, iceberg, jiggy, chopper, loop-de-loop. Oh, look at all these different baby sharks. You got your swords. Look at that Normandy landing craft. That's awesome. I think I saw one of these before. That's pretty cool. It's got a tank inside of there, and it's a boat. Little motorcycles, tanks, ladybugs. All these little novelties over here. Smoke. You got more crayon versions. Crayon. Parachutes, strobes, big tanks, zaps. Unicorn chaser. Some cone fountains. Big crackling balls. Pooping elephant. Snakes. Like she's even got a little video game in here for the kids. It's pretty cool. You got your USA smoke. Big smoke balls. She even got some fuse in here. Fantasy. That's cool. $17.99, new for 2025. Spy bacon, smoke crayons. Got your brother's assortments here. $800. That's not bad actually. I've seen it for much more. I've seen it for like $2,000. Party poppers, your little snaps, day parachutes, night parachutes, bigger parachutes, 40-inch parachute. This one looks like it might come with a guy inside of it. Princess parachutes, sliders, zaps, torpedoes, ground bloom flower with crackle bomb, party sparklers, bunch of sparklers, neons, and then more sparklers. Got your gory color sparklers, 96 shot fireworks fiesta, gold rush, ice chains, devil doll, game changer, touchdown, Captain Sam, too fishy, cat calls, Sunday. She's got lots of selection here. So you got your 40-50 firecrackers, your bricks, You got your 16s bricks, your 400. 5 400s. Huh. 3 for 5 300s. Got these little 100 firecracker rolls. Those are cool. Magic whips. I don't think I've ever had magic whips before, but I've definitely seen them. M200 salutes. You got your Saturn missiles. Jumbo. Look at this one. These are all big Saturn missiles. That's awesome. USA. Got your American flags. Some more assortments. All these kids ones.
Did you hear our fireworks last night?
Look at this, another dueling pistol. Starship. Food. Puppy fountain. Look at these fountains. As you're getting into the fountains, you got your unicorn. And for you with girls, those would be cool. Baby Yoda. Tie-dye fountain. Look at that. Look at the evil guys. And they even got a snake. Robot. Gigawatts. I love 1.2 on gigawatts. That's a good one.
It was so cool. I'll show you a video when it uploads.
Dinosaurs. My son would love that.
Yeah, it's a bunch of cakes. But you make it into
Freezy Pops.
So like you create your
Little fountains.
So I do like a
It's awesome.
this kind of thing, but bigger.
You got streamers. This wrap is pretty cool. Straight goods. Emit showers of sparks. Fountain. Real tree. Look at this ghost one. Bet the ghost lights up. That one's probably pretty cool. Peekaboom. The spinning one. My wife loves the spinning ones. Kooky Caterpillar. Demo Derby. Look at this one. Flutterby. Hoot Hoot Hooray. Bad Apple. These are all cool. Look at this cone fountain, guys. TP fountain. Wow. That's big.
So this is each firework.
American Forever.
Versus like when you buy a cake, it's old, right? It's this one you have to like
Snow cone, lighthouse. Look, this is those ones with the ground blooms inside of them.
I've never done that before.
Puzzle cube. Look at this spinner.
But they're all so they each
Wheel, spinner of fortune.
and then you mix it with your fan and your water.
It's awesome. Look at this Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon.
It's not weird. It's cool, but
Neon jellyfish. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. Arachnophobia.
yeah, all of it.
Got your rockets over here. Look at this Pink Panther. But that's freaking cool. Might have to pick one of those up. Black cat. Comets, fish, glitter, and stars. That's a mixture. That's awesome. 17 bucks. Got your just regular fountains. Here's a real tree. Roman candles, I mean. Your smaller ones. I've always wanted to fuse a bunch of these together. See how it is. I used to love this one here. Just different effects. Bomb attack, AK-47, air raid, night fire, recon mission, and firebomb. That's awesome. Just got your packs. Here's some more rockets.
I have a few that I know that I'm not going to have enough of.
Rockets, or bottle rockets.
I've gladly pulled them if you want to
Black Cat.
You clearly love fireworks because you're like.
Look at this finale kit here. Party Pyro Pack. Gold Willow Finale, Brocade Finale, Nishiki Finale, and Flower Crown Finale. That's pretty awesome by Winda. That's got to be cool. Alright, and here's your 200 gram cakes. You got dinos, a Sky Bacon, Happy 16 shots, your Happy Fountains. You got your Fish Frenzy, Smoke Dragon, Color Factory, Neon Forest, 99 red balloons. That's cool. Nation Ovation, I've had that one before, it's really good. Real American.
Venom, and I'm gonna run out of
Bacon Track. That's funny. Tipsy Turvy. Monkey. Space Monkey. Patriotic American. Noisy. Noisy's an awesome one. You got your No Labs down here. Boom Boom Pow, Double Down, Disco Ball, Wacky Tobacco, Red Riff, Addicted to Loud, Wacky Tobacco again, and then you got your 2-inch titanium willow. Medal of Honor. You got El Patron, The Gambler, Redneck Riviera, Polaris, Mobile Menace, Gold Alert, Audio Graffiti.
Yeah, because you were actually doing the
Space Rocks,
the little group in here.
Silent Power, Feedback, Attack Zone,
I'm not scared.
Bling Bling, Lost Marbles, Look the Irish, Maui, Jaws, Red, White, and Blue. That's cool. Sorry, guys.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you're good.
Brothers Instant Replay, Brothers Poppycock,
They're not bad.
Irish Legend,
You got
Old Ironsides. You got your picnic pack, all gold mustard, all red ketchup, all green relish, Serpent Striker. Ooh, 76 show series, 36 shot massive Nishiki Kimura. That's awesome. Bullet Blossoms, I got that one this year. Oh yeah. She's got the whole show here.
That one's got this one is a blue. No,
Security Breach.
5, 6, and 7 inch shells in it. So
Chronic Willow. And potheads love that. Hail to the Chief.
This one too, it's got the
Colonel Popper. Neon King. That's cool. 2-inch titanium willow. Star Factory. Perfect Game. Disco Ball. Addicted to Loud. Red Riff. Double Down. The Power of Pink. Oh yeah, this is the one that donates $10 to breast cancer awareness. That's awesome. Action packed. Oh, they got Kingdom here. I'm a Chiefs fan, so that works out. Banging Hard. Freedom Reigns. Air Supremacy. That's cool. Nishiki Forest. Nishiki Neon. Backyard Riot. Baby Boomers. Hit the Road Jack. Make Some Noise. Monster Bucks by Realtree. Drive In. Sky High. Blonde Joke. Highfalutin. Willow to Nishiki. Patriotic as Fuck. Pheasants in Flight. Break the Vault. Bacon Blaster. Party Bus. Waken and Bacon. Backyard King. Black Beard's Bounty. Open Fire. Hogwarts. America's Color. That eagle is freaking awesome. Crazy Stars, Absolute Destruction, The Hogfather, Occupy Mars, Chameleon X, Vintage Americana. That's awesome. 63 shots. After Hours, Temple of Gods, Ticket to Ride, Venom by Powder Keg, Deep Ocean, 45 shots, Shotgun Wedding, Like a Boss, Sky Patriot, Hog Smash, Triple Play. They got the Coast to Coast down here. It's awesome. Red, White, and Blue, $200. Southern Comfort, Sailor's Nightmare, Ruby Mine, One Bad Piggy, Western Sky, Fill the Sky, Spicy Hot, Taco, Meteor Strike, Make It Rain, Tie Dye, and Hail to the Cheap. You got your bigger Roman candles, Quick Shot, Bacon Barrage, Bang Bazooka, Chasing Tail. Look at that one. That one's huge. Got some more rockets.
I'll be here.
You got some preloads. I love preloads. Makes it so much easier. All your shell kits, pro shells, Unmatched by Brothers, Neon Beef, Thunder shells, 5-inch platinum shells, Black Cat Brothers. Kodo collection, that one's cool. Neon Diablo, Tank Brothers. You got your assortments. That one's cool. This one's also cool. Proud to be an American. Need more of that. They got your selects. Those are cool. You got your regular Diablos and your Neon Diablos in there. More shell kits. Red, white, and blue shells. Pro level. It's awesome. More preloads. Front row seats. She's even got a little Plinko board here. I think you can win some fireworks. That's pretty awesome. And then she sells shirts, even for kids, cups, some cheap stuff in there, jewelry. That's awesome. Just got lights.
I'm good, but yeah, we got lots of new things.
That's cool. And some lighters. We're gonna do one of these real quick. Always go for the middle. Oh, some rockets. Awesome.